Ready to grow the biggest, tastiest harvest ever? I'm excited to share my secrets for maximizing your garden's potential. We'll explore the essential tools and techniques that'll transform you into a true garden hero. From soil preparation to harvesting, I'll guide you every step of the way. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a race. So grab your gardening gloves, put on your sun hat, and let's get started. Good soil is the foundation of any successful garden. It's where the magic begins, the very essence of life for your plants. Without good soil, even the best seeds and the most diligent care won't yield the results you're hoping for. Think of it as the stage upon which your plants will perform their magnificent growing act. Just like a well-prepared stage sets the scene for a great performance, well-prepared soil sets the stage for a thriving garden. The better the soil, the more vibrant and healthy your plants will be. First up, we need to loosen things up a bit. Compact soil can stifle root growth and limit the availability of nutrients and water. By loosening the soil, we create a more hospitable environment for roots to explore and expand. A good tiller is your best friend for larger gardens. It saves time and effort, breaking up the soil quickly and efficiently. This is especially important if you're working with a large area or if your soil is particularly compacted. It churns up the soil, making it easier for roots to spread. The tiller also helps to incorporate organic matter and nutrients evenly throughout the soil, ensuring that your plants have access to everything they need to grow strong and healthy. For smaller plots, a sturdy shovel does the trick. It's a versatile tool that allows you to dig, turn, and aerate the soil with precision. Plus, it's great for getting into those tight spots where a tiller might not fit. When choosing a shovel, look for one with a comfortable grip and a blade that's the right size for you. An ergonomic handle can make a big difference. Reducing strain on your hands and back, the right shovel can make your gardening tasks much more enjoyable and less tiring. Remember, we want to work smarter, not harder. Using the right tools and techniques can save you time and energy, allowing you to enjoy the process of gardening rather than feeling overwhelmed by it. Turning the soil also helps mix in nutrients and improve drainage. Adding compost or other organic matter can enrich the soil, providing essential nutrients that your plants need to thrive. Good drainage is crucial to prevent waterlogging and root rot. Think of it as fluffing up the pillows for your plants to rest upon. Well-aerated soil allows roots to breathe and access the oxygen they need. It also makes it easier for water and nutrients to reach the roots, promoting healthy growth. A little effort in the beginning goes a long way toward a happier, healthier garden. By taking the time to properly prepare your soil, you're setting the stage for a season of bountiful harvests and beautiful blooms. Your plants will thank you with their vibrant growth and abundant produce. Now that our soil is prepped, it's time to get those plants in the ground. This is where the right tools can make all the difference. For seedlings, a handy transplanter is your go-to tool. It gently lifts those delicate roots and places them in their new home with minimal disturbance. For seeds, a dibber is your friend. This pointed tool creates the perfect little holes for dropping in those tiny seeds. No more guessing about spacing. When planting, remember to give each plant plenty of space to grow. Crowding can lead to competition for resources, and nobody wants a garden brawl. Just like us, plants need a good drink now and then. Water is essential for their growth, health, and overall vitality. However, the way we water our plants can make a significant difference in their well-being. But overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Too much water can lead to root rot, suffocating the roots and depriving them of the oxygen they need. It's crucial to find the right balance. A watering can is perfect for targeted watering, especially for seedlings and delicate plants. These young plants are more vulnerable and need gentle care. Using a watering can allows you to control the flow and amount of water, ensuring they get just the right amount. Look for one with a rose, that's the sprinkler head, not the flower, to distribute water evenly. The rose head breaks the water into a fine spray, mimicking natural rainfall and preventing soil erosion. For larger areas, a garden hose with an adjustable nozzle is your best bet. This tool is versatile and can cover more ground efficiently, saving you time and effort. You can switch from a gentle shower to a more focused stream as needed. This flexibility allows you to cater to different plants' needs, from delicate flowers to sturdy shrubs. Remember to water deeply and less frequently. This method encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil, seeking out moisture and nutrients. Deep watering helps plants develop a robust root system. This encourages roots to grow deeper, making your plants more drought tolerant. Deep-rooted plants can access water stored deeper in the soil, which is especially beneficial during dry spells. And always water at the base of the plant, avoiding the leaves to prevent diseases. Wet leaves can lead to fungal infections and other issues. By focusing on the base, you ensure the water reaches the roots where it's needed most. Another tip is to use mulch around your plants. Mulch helps retain moisture in the soil, reduces evaporation, and keeps the roots cool. It also suppresses weeds, which can compete with your plants for water. Water your plants early in the morning. This gives them a chance to absorb the water before the heat of the day sets in, reducing water loss through evaporation. Morning watering also allows the foliage to dry out during the day, minimizing the risk of disease. Consider collecting rainwater for your garden. Rainwater is naturally soft and free of chemicals, making it ideal for plants. Using a rain barrel can help you conserve water and reduce your utility bills. Keeping a clean garden is key. Tidiness is next to cleanliness, I think that's how the saying goes. But fear not, my friends, because with the right tools, we can keep these weedy garden invaders at bay. A handheld weeder is your secret weapon for tackling weeds while they're small. It's like a miniature set of garden claws, perfect for those satisfying gotcha moments. For larger areas, a hoe is your go-to tool. Use it to chop weeds off at the soil line, preventing them from taking root again. Remember, the best defense is a good offense. Regular weeding prevents those pesky invaders from getting a foothold in your garden paradise. Pruning might seem intimidating, but it's like giving your plants a haircut. Just as a good haircut can make you feel refreshed and revitalized, pruning can do the same for your plants. A little trim here and there keeps them looking their best and encourages healthy growth. By removing dead or overgrown branches, you allow more sunlight and air to reach the inner parts of the plant, which is crucial for its health. A good pair of pruning shears is essential for every gardener. They are the primary tool you'll use for most of your pruning tasks, so it's important to choose a pair that suits your needs. Look for ones that are sharp and comfortable to hold. Sharp blades make clean cuts, which are better for the plant, and comfortable handles reduce hand fatigue, making your gardening tasks more enjoyable. Bypass pruners are great for making clean cuts on live branches. They work like scissors, with two blades that pass by each other to make a precise cut. This is ideal for green living wood, while anvil pruners are better for dead wood. They have a single straight blade that cuts against a flat surface, making them perfect for cutting through tougher dead branches. For thicker branches, loppers are the way to go. These tools have long handles that provide extra leverage, making it easier to cut through thicker stems and branches without straining your hands. These long-handled pruners give you extra leverage for those tougher cuts. They are especially useful for reaching higher branches or for cutting through particularly thick or stubborn growth. When pruning, always cut just above a leaf node. This is the point on the stem where new growth will emerge, so making your cut here encourages the plant to produce new, healthy shoots. And don't be afraid to remove dead or diseased branches to keep your plants healthy and vibrant. Removing these parts of the plant prevents the spread of disease and allows the plant to focus its energy on producing healthy new growth. Regular pruning is an essential part of plant care, ensuring that your garden remains beautiful and thriving. The moment we've all been waiting for, harvest time. After all our hard work, it's time to enjoy the fruits and vegetables of our labor. A sharp knife is essential for harvesting. A serrated knife is great for tomatoes, while a paring knife is perfect for delicate herbs. Don't forget your gardening gloves. They'll protect your hands from thorns, prickles, and any unexpected creepy crawlies. As you harvest, be gentle to avoid damaging the plants. And remember, the more you harvest, the more the plants will produce. So, eat your fill and share the bounty with friends and neighbors. With the right tools and a little know-how, you're well on your way to maximizing your garden yield. Remember to enjoy the process, get your hands dirty, and don't be afraid to experiment. Gardening is a journey of learning and discovery, so embrace the journey and celebrate every success along the way. Now get out there and grow something amazing. Happy gardening!